Hi.
Okay, thank you.
Right? Thank you. I love when y'all say that. Let's be on the video.
Let me look at the exit. Okay.
Is it okay if I come in?
Yes, my wife's making.
Okay.
Oh.
Them days over with.
Kristen.
Hi.
Will you just like your cart for me real quick?
Yeah.
There's like 10 carts in back here.
What? Oh, I swear I looked. I
They're
just
just in the
looked-
cubby.
Oh, I looked in there, but not like that. All right, and you didn't get a COVID test before coming, right?
No, just I can get one.
Yep. I just want to make sure so I'm not swabbing you more than once. Be right back. I gotta grab my friend.
That's the good vodka?
That's the good H2O.
Yeah. That's the good vodka right there, she said. I don't need it, right?
Oh, sorry. I just put everything that was ordered.
Oh, thanks.
What are you having done today?
Hernia repair.
I'm sorry?
Hernia repair.
Okay. You want to go ahead and lay, or did you ask him to sit up?
Oh no, I didn't. But he can lay back if he wants to. Yeah, and we can get you comfortable.
Let's go ahead and get you to lay back here.
Yeah, here's my last on my shoulder.
Yep, we got plenty blankets where that, yeah.
Oh boy,
There we go.
I've been going through this since, oh my goodness, since the 15th of August.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
Depends on which side the person pissed me off on.
Oh, okay. Well,
I got that from my mama.
that's all right.
She had 5 kids. She was like,
Are you
I'm right.
spending overnight?
the doctor said it depends on. So.
How it goes. Okay.
Why are you not printing? You need to print.
He needs blood work.
Yeah, he needs PT, PCT, and an Are you on Coumadin?
What's that?
Are you on any blood thinners? Okay.
I have high blood pressure and cholesterol.
Yeah, I was looking for a vein binder. Oh, okay, good.
But I stopped taking it yesterday.
You've got some good ones here. I just want to make sure they're not valvy.
They usually do it on this line.
Yeah, that's the hand you're writing with, though.
I don't write anything anymore.
You don't write? Do you just punch? You just punch now?
No, my kids are too big for that. They'll knock me down. They catch my hand and flip me, and then punch me.
And then punch you. Brandy, you can have that.
Did it finally print? Oh my gosh.
Brandy, if you, Kristen, if you get me the files, I'll see if I can do this.
Okay. I forget what a PT is. It the blue one? They're all blue, aren't they? PT, PTT, and
I
IMR.
think they're all blue, yes. Real tight, okay? try to stay away from your right hook since you have to.
Oh, no, I don't do that. Them days over with.
Those days are over with?
Them days over with. You trying to. Black doesn't come off. I tried it.
Are you sure? Did it feel like I was trying to do that?
My granddaddy, he's Scottish, German, Jewish, maybe that'll
You have
come
my
out.
skin color.
Maybe that'll come out. My mama's daddy.
Hey, I'm glad you got a sense of humor.
Yeah. We're gonna do this with IV.
This is for the IV.
That's why you call it that card. There you go. See, that wasn't too bad, was it? See, I was not gonna let you get into your anxious spot. Nope, we're not gonna talk about it, we're gonna do it. She said, can we talk about it? I said, no.
I put a little poke. Try not to jump. I know. Breathe, breathe, breathe. There you go. Good.
I don't get to watch TV.
That is in a sensitive spot. I got you. That's the important part.
There's something to them.
You can stop fisting.
He's just over.
I already got him.
Okay.
Sorry. Can you get me a transparent?
Yeah.
Sorry. I just figured it's easy for her to go in there. He didn't seem like he was gonna do it.
Gets lost, you know?
He does, and all the, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
It's flowing nice. I will turn it down once I clean them up. Oh, there it is. What's she doing? Filming you back here? So you
Yeah.
remember?
Well, my sister, she's a nurse. She's a head nurse. She's been a
Okay.
nurse for like over 25 years.
Where's she a nurse at?
And it's in Detroit.
Oh, okay. Oh no, and you claim her? Just kidding.
She's
You know those jobs, right?
oh my goodness, she's nurses are really rough. She's gonna be playing around. I don't know,
She belongs there? It's like she belongs there.
and she's like she was there when my father passed.
Huh?
Are you doing the blood?
No, I'm gonna do his COVID swab.
Oh, okay. I'm like,
No, I don't know. I haven't seen June in a while.
She was there when my father passed. She was,
yeah.
But,
You know you only need one of those tubes.
okay.
Keisha, are you gonna come in and do it for her, or
Yeah, I printed that one.
You don't need this. You said what? I'm sorry, Miss Connie.
are you gonna come in and do it for her? I just went for.
No, she's over in Indo.
Oh.
She just printed it
So
out.
listen, this is what you need to do. Do whatever y'all need to do, and I can stick you.
Okay.
So you need me to stick you real quick?
It's okay. He doesn't have to go right this minute.
Okay, so do whatever you need to do, and I can. Why he got gloves on?
No, I don't need the gloves on.
Oh, okay.
I just took them off just in
Okay,
case.
why he got gloves on?
I didn't even ask. I was just like, okay.
Do